Nairobi.
Lieutenant Colonel David Sawe has been laid to rest at his Kapkorio home in Sarora location, Nandi County. Lieutenant Colonel Sawe was among the military officers who died in a chopper crash alongside Chief of Defence Forces General Francis Ogolla on the 18th of April at Sindar area in Elgeyo Marakwet. He was in charge of maintenance works in the infrastructure department at the defence headquarters. Leaders who attended the burial asked the government to bolster security in the Kerio Valley.
Ile kazi yeye alikuwa ameenda kutekeleza pamoja na wakubwa wetu ambao walikuwa wametwikwa jukumu ya kwenda kufanya wakati walipopewa hiyo kazi, tutaikamilisha.
The entire military, that you will also help the country to have peace in that area of North Rift, and especially Kerio Valley, which has become a valley of death.
Walikuwa wamekuja kuhakikisha kwamba tutakuwa na amani. So let the blood of these soldiers who have actually sacrificed, who have done the ultimate sacrifice, be the last, so that we can experience peace in the valley.
A storm is brewing in Mwatate, Taita Taveta County over the intended sale of 3